Welcome to Small Lathe. This is something I just got off of eBay, and this is a chisel set. This is the chisel set for stoning, basically chiseling and cutting into stones. Now, this is a carbide set. Sorry, not a carbide, a tungsten steel, hardened steel set, and this is really nice, I should say. Very cost effective. This has an interesting design. As you can see, this is plain steel and this has been brazed on this tiny carbide bit, and this is really sharp. All of these are extremely sharp. Now, since these had quite interesting features, much like wood chisels, and I do have a wood chisel set for the lathe coming, I thought, well, why not buy this one as well? It's not that expensive and it may be actually useful. So this is going to be a short video. Let's give it a go. Let's take a piece of wood, something simple, not too complex. This is really a little cute set. I don't have any rocks at hand to play with it, but that's not the point. I do aim to use it for carving in rocks in the future. But the whole point of this demonstration is that if you're in a pinch and you want to do both things, meaning carve rocks and carve wood, this set is not a bad idea. It's really sharp. It's really well made. I like the design. It's simple, yet it should work quite nicely. So all in all, this is really nice. You have several types of chisels. This is a flat bottom. This is pointed, like a sword sort of edge. I'm sure there are names for it, and if you guys know, if you want to write those down below, something new for me to learn. And once I get to rock handling, I'm guessing I'll take some lessons at that. All in all, it's been fun. I may actually use this as a tiny handle for some device in the future, just for the heck of it. Not because it's really useful or designed for, but well, I hope you enjoyed. I do recommend this set. It does seem to work nicely. It does seem to be very well made. And if I ever get to playing with rocks, I will. Let me know if you want me to do that. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.